enjoy it? Yeah. I've got you under my skin. I've got you deep in the heart of me, so deep in my heart that you're really a part of me. I've got you under my skin. I try so not to give in. I've said to myself this affair never will go so well. But why should I try to resist when, baby, I know so well that I've got you under my skin. I'd sacrifice anything, come what may, for the sake of having you near, in spite of a warming voice that comes in the night, repeats in my ear. Don't you know, little fool, you never can win. You gotta use your mentality, wake up to reality. But each time I do, just the thought of you makes me stop before I begin. 'Cause I got you, baby, under my skin. Sacrifice anything, come what may, for the sake of having you near, in spite of a warming voice comes in the night, repeats in my ear. Don't you know, fool, there ain't no chance to win. Why not use your mentality, wake up to reality. But each time I do, just the thought of you makes me stop, because I've got you under my skin. Yeah, I've got you, babe, under my skin. Yes. And now the end is near, so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I've traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, but more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and I'd spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall, and I did it my way. I've loved, and I've laughed, and I've cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that. And may I say, not in a shy way, oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What's he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things that he truly feels. Not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I'm gonna take the blocks, but I gotta do it my way. Yes. Yes, it's gotta be my way. I gotta do it my way. Here we go. Oh, this shack has pretty teeth, dear, and he shows them pearly white. Just a jackknife has Maggie, dear, and he keeps it out of sight. You know when that shack bites, with his teeth, dear, scowl blue start to spread. Fancy gloves, though, where's Maggie, dear? So there's never a trace of red. Now on a sidewalk, Sunday morning, lies a body. How's your life? Someone sneaking round the corner. Is that someone? Mac the knife from a tugboat down by the river. Don't you know what's meant back? Just trooping on down. Cement's there's just there for the wicked. Bet you find the 10 old Maggie's back in town. Louis Miller, no, he disappeared, babe, after drawing out all this hoarded cash. No matter he spends like a sailor. Did our boy know? Do something rash. Dookie Dowry, Jenny Diver, Polly Fisherman, oh, Lucy Brown. in town. Sue Greg, hey, Kenny Diver. Look out for Miss Polly Beecher and old Lucy Brown. Yes, light forms on the right, babe. Now that Mackie's back in town. Look out, Mackie's back, old Mackie. All the way. When somebody loves you, it's no good unless she loves you all the way. Happy to be near you when you need someone to cheer you all the way. Taller than the tallest tree is. That's how it's got to feel. It's gotta be deeper than a deep blue sea is. That's how deep it goes when it's real. When somebody needs you, it's no good unless she needs you all the way. Through the good old lean years, all those in between years, come what may. Who knows where the road will lead us? Only a fool would say. But if you let me love you, it's for sure I'm gonna love you all the way. All the way. That's how it's got to feel. So if you let me love you, it's for sure I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you all the way, babe. All the way. All the way.